Is it the right time to buy or sell CrowdStrike stock? In this video, we will be delving deep into CrowdStrike. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, December 1, 2023, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that might impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since October 30, 2023, our system has identified CrowdStrike as a promising investment opportunity, giving it a score of 2.69. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed a remarkable gain of 34.6% since we first recommended CrowdStrike as a buy candidate 24 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 1.44% since it was listed as a buy candidate. In the short term, the stock is currently in an upward trend, which presents a potential opportunity for short-term traders to sell. It is likely that the stock will react and move towards the lower part of this trend. However, if the stock breaks the top trend line at $237.91, it could indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected change of 31.54% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 8.94% to 33.16%. For the 12-month trend, there is a projected change of 66.28% over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 19.84% to 67.93%. This means that the stock's price could range from $281.65 to $394.69 after a year. Our latest update for CrowdStrike brings an important headline: stronger technical forecast for CrowdStrike stock price after Friday trading. On the last day of trading, Friday, December 1, 2023, the CrowdStrike stock price experienced a slight decline of -0.83%, moving from $236.99 to $235.03. Throughout the day, the stock showed a fluctuation of 2.98%, reaching a low of $229.80 and a high of $236.65. Interestingly, the stock has been on an upward trend, rising in 8 out of the last 10 days and gaining an impressive 15.06% over the past 2 weeks. It's worth noting that the volume of shares traded also decreased on the last day, which can be seen as a positive indication as volume usually follows the stock price. Specifically, the trading volume dropped by -3 million shares, with a total of 4 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $907.90 million. Looking at the bigger picture, over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $238.48, while the lowest price was $92.25. Currently, the stock price stands at 1.45% below its 52-week high, equivalent to a difference of $3.45. Moreover, it is 21.26% below its all-time high, which was reached on the 10th of November 2021 with a price of $298.48. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, November 29, 2023, Mizuho Securities gave CRWD a buy grade with a hold action. Goldman Sachs also gave CRWD a buy grade with a hold action on the same day. Oppenheimer, another reputable firm, gave CRWD an outperform grade with a hold action. Piper Sandler expressed confidence in CRWD by giving it an overweight grade with a hold action. Barclays, a well-known financial institution, also gave CRWD an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given a general buy rating to CrowdStrike stock. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. Today, we're going to discuss the signals that have been identified for CrowdStrike. The CrowdStrike stock has shown positive signs, with buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relationship between these two signals also suggests a buy signal, as the short-term average is currently above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, the stock is expected to find support at $221.31 and $195.56. However, if it breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. On the other hand, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, which further supports the positive outlook. It's important to note that some negative signals have also been issued, which could potentially impact the stock's short-term development. Notably, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, November 30, 2023, resulting in a decline of -0.83% so far. It is likely to experience further decline until a new bottom pivot is identified. Lastly, it's worth mentioning that the volume of trades decreased alongside the price during the last trading day. This suggests reduced overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicator is showing a buy signal. The Pivots indicator signaled a sell signal 2 days ago. The Bollinger indicator indicated a buy signal 13 days ago. The short-term moving average is showing a buy signal 24 days ago. The long-term moving average is showing a buy signal 25 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicated a buy signal 22 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 150 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 183 days ago. If you want to discover more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about CrowdStrike and its support, risk, and stop-loss levels. CrowdStrike, a leading cybersecurity company, has found support from accumulated volume at $234.44. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is tested. However, it's important to note that this stock is considered high risk due to its volatility. The Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval, suggesting significant price fluctuations. In the past day, CrowdStrike stock has moved $6.85 between its high and low points, representing a 2.98% change. Over the past week, its daily average volatility has been 4.2%. Let's start by discussing some important fundamental data before we explore potential trading levels for CrowdStrike. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that a company has negative earnings or is losing money. Established companies can face temporary downturns due to external factors. However, if a company consistently has a negative PE ratio, it may indicate insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for March 5, 2024. Today, let's dive into potential day trading levels for CrowdStrike. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level for CrowdStrike sits at $236.99. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if CrowdStrike experiences a downward movement, it encounters its first support level at $234.44. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound. The consensus rating for CrowdStrike, according to multiple analysts, is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 13, 2023, Podbear Bert W. sold 30,500 shares of Class A common stock. On November 13, 2023, Gandhi Samir K. sold 15,000 shares of Class A common stock. On November 13, 2023, Sullivan Godfrey sold 150,000 shares of Class A common stock. On October 11, 2023, Austin Roxanne S. sold 5,000 shares of Class A common stock. On October 9, 2023, Sullivan Godfrey sold 2,713 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -16.368. Overall, insiders have purchased 1,036,324 shares and sold 1,325,442 shares in the last 100 trades. Today, we'll be discussing a recommended stop-loss level for this stock. Before we proceed, it's important to note that this stock tends to have high daily movements, which means there is a higher level of risk involved. Currently, the RSI 14 indicator for this stock is at 88, which significantly increases the risk associated with it. Additionally, a sell signal was generated by a pivot top that was identified just 1 day ago. Is CrowdStrike stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, CrowdStrike stock shows positive short-term signals and a generally positive trend. This indicates a potential buying opportunity. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For Monday, December 4th, we anticipate CrowdStrike to open with a decrease of $1.20 and start trading at $233.83. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not a reliable basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided here, you agree that you are solely responsible for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be taking a closer look at the current view of a particular stock. We value your opinion, so please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We're also interested to know what your target for this stock is. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day.